Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So today we are going to be talking about ways that you can dress down a dress. What do I mean by that? How can we make a dress look a little bit more cash? All right. Major bonus word here is going to be shoes. All right. Starting off, we're going to start with some combat boots. Okay. These combat boots are a really, really cool way to add that edgy, I don't care, rebellious attitude to any kind of a dress. Plus, they're not heels. So even if your dress is super short, you kind of give yourself some leeway to wear that dress maybe during the daytime or not quite evening, just by pairing some combat boots. All right. Number 2, we've got a funky vibe. Funky vibe because we've got Doc Martens. And Doc Martens are really, really interesting because it's like, it doesn't matter how long it's been, they keep coming back and they keep coming back. So Doc Martens are a great thing to have in your closet. Never get rid of them because they will serve you, but they kind of give you more of a youthful, funky vibe rather than that edgy look with the combat boots. And here I also have a layering piece, right? So when we're thinking about dressing down a dress, we want to find a way to not make it feel like we're going out on a date per se, like a dinner date. You want to really make it feel casual. So here I have a men's shirt that's a little bit thicker and almost resembles a jacket. And so that is what kind of gives me that cool girl swag. Number 3, we have more of a classic sneaker. So it's not a full-on athletic sneaker. Like I'm not going to, play basketball in this and I'm not going to work out in this. But it is the closest look that kind of gives me that sporty spice vibe that everyone can kind of get into. And that thick heel. And number 4. Sorry, guys. Number 4 is the sneaker sock look. I don't know what you call these sneakers, but all I know is that they are the most comfortable thing in the world. Balenciaga made them infamous, all right? And then everyone else has like their knockoffs, which whatever. And so here we have a pair with a slip dress. So here we've got our edgy, we've got our funky, right? We've got our sporty, and we've got our day-to-day. So a whole bunch of options for you. Hope you enjoy.